everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Xfinity stream buffering issues. I'm going to give you 7 problem fixes. The first thing you need to do is to check internet speed. This is the first fix you can do. Ensure that the internet speed is about 25 plus Mbps for HD streaming. The second fix is to use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. So for a stable connection, close background apps and then free up bandwidth on your device. So once you've done that, the next step is to lower streaming quality. Adjust to 720p in Xfinity stream settings. Then the fifth fix is to restart the modem and router. Power cycle to refresh the connection. And the sixth step you can use is to clear app cache. So once you clear the app cache, which is quite simple, next step is to contact Xfinity support. If issues persist, request a signal boost when you contact Xfinity support. Hope you found this video helpful.